Mobility is more than just being able to touch your toes or do a split. It's about how well your joints and muscles allow you to move freely and efficiently in your daily life. Good mobility helps prevent injuries, improves posture, and enhances performance in both sports and everyday activities. Whether you're an athlete or someone who just wants to feel better moving around, improving mobility is key. In this video, we'll break down a step-by-step approach to boost your mobility, making it simple and achievable for everyone. Let's start by understanding what mobility really means and why it's so important for your overall well-being. It's easy to confuse mobility with flexibility, but they're not quite the same. Flexibility refers to how much a muscle can stretch, while mobility is about how well a joint can move through its full range of motion. For example, you might have flexible hamstrings but still struggle to squat deeply if your hips or ankles are stiff. Improving mobility means working on both the muscles and the joints, ensuring they function together smoothly. This distinction is crucial because focusing only on stretching won't address all your movement limitations. Let's look at how to assess your current mobility before diving into exercises. Before you start improving your mobility, it's helpful to know where you stand. Try a few simple tests. Can you squat down with your heels on the ground? Can you reach overhead without arching your back? How far can you turn your head side to side? These self-assessments highlight areas that need attention. Take note of any movements that feel stiff or limited. This baseline will help you track your progress and focus your efforts where they're needed most. Now that you know your starting point, let's move on to warming up your body for mobility work. Jumping straight into mobility exercises without warming up can do more harm than good. A proper warm-up increases blood flow to your muscles and prepares your joints for movement. Start with 5-10 minutes of light cardio, like brisk walking, cycling, or jumping jacks. This gets your heart rate up and your body ready for more focused mobility work. Warming up also reduces the risk of injury and helps you get the most out of your stretching and mobility routines. Once you're feeling warm, it's time to target specific areas that need improvement. When working on mobility, it's important to focus on the major joints that affect your movement the most: hips, shoulders, ankles, and spine. These joints play a big role in how you walk, squat, reach, and twist. If any of these areas are stiff, your overall movement will be limited. By targeting these key joints, you'll see the biggest improvements in your daily activities and workouts. In the next scenes, we'll break down specific exercises for each of these areas, starting with the hips. The hips are central to almost every movement you make, from walking to sitting to squatting. Tight hips can lead to lower back pain and poor posture. To improve hip mobility, try exercises like hip circles, deep lunges, and the world's greatest stretch. These moves help open up the hip joint, stretch surrounding muscles, and increase your range of motion. Remember to move slowly and focus on quality, not quantity. Consistency is key. Doing these exercises regularly will make a noticeable difference over time. Shoulder mobility is essential for reaching, lifting, and even maintaining good posture. Stiff shoulders can limit your ability to perform everyday tasks and increase your risk of injury. To improve shoulder mobility, incorporate exercises like arm circles, wall slides, and band pull-aparts. These movements help loosen tight muscles and improve the joint's range of motion. Focus on slow, controlled movements and avoid forcing your shoulders into uncomfortable positions. Over time, you'll notice better flexibility and less tension in your upper body. Ankles are often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in balance and movement. Limited ankle mobility can affect your ability to squat, run, or even walk comfortably. To improve ankle mobility, try exercises like ankle circles, calf stretches, and knee-to-wall movements. These help loosen the joint and stretch the muscles around it. Pay attention to any tightness or discomfort, and work within your limits. Improved ankle mobility will make all your movements feel smoother and more stable. A flexible spine is key for twisting, bending, and maintaining good posture. Stiffness in the spine can lead to discomfort and limit your movement in daily life. To improve spine mobility, include exercises like cat-cow stretches, thoracic rotations, and gentle back bends. These moves help keep your spine healthy and mobile, reducing the risk of back pain. Always move gently and avoid pushing into pain. With regular practice, you'll notice greater ease and comfort in your movements. When it comes to mobility, both dynamic and static stretching have their place. Dynamic stretches involve moving through a range of motion, like leg swings or arm circles, and are great for warming up. Static stretches, where you hold a position for 20-30 seconds, help lengthen muscles after exercise. For mobility improvement, start with dynamic stretches to prepare your body, then use static stretches to increase flexibility. This combination ensures your joints and muscles are ready for action and recovery. Foam rolling is a self-massage technique that helps release tight muscles and improve blood flow. By rolling over sore or stiff areas, you can break up knots and increase your range of motion. Focus on major muscle groups like the calves, quads, hamstrings, and back. Spend about 1-2 minutes on each area, moving slowly and pausing on any tender spots. Foam rolling before or after your mobility routine can make a big difference in how you feel and move. Breathing deeply and intentionally can enhance your mobility work. When you breathe slowly and fully, your muscles relax, making it easier to stretch and move. Try to coordinate your breath with your movements. Inhale as you prepare, exhale as you stretch deeper. This not only helps you move better, but also reduces tension and stress. Incorporating mindful breathing into your mobility routine can make each session more effective and enjoyable. Improving mobility isn't about doing a marathon stretching session once in a while. It's about consistency, making mobility work a regular part of your routine. Aim for at least 10-15 minutes a day, or a few longer sessions each week. Over time, these small efforts add up to big improvements. Set reminders, schedule your sessions, or pair mobility work with another habit, like watching TV or winding down before bed. The more consistent you are, the better your results will be. Tracking your progress keeps you motivated and helps you see how far you've come. Take notes or photos of your starting point and check in every few weeks. Notice improvements in your range of motion, posture, or how you feel during daily activities. Celebrate small wins, like being able to squat deeper or reach higher. Progress might be slow at first, but with patience and persistence, you'll see real changes. Let's look at some tools and methods for tracking your mobility journey. Technology can make it easier to stay on track with your mobility goals. There are many apps designed to guide you through routines, remind you to stretch, and log your progress. Some apps even offer video demonstrations and personalized plans. Explore a few options and choose one that fits your needs and lifestyle. Using an app can add structure to your routine and help you stay accountable, especially when life gets busy. If you spend long hours sitting at a desk, mobility work is especially important. Prolonged sitting can lead to tight hips, stiff shoulders, and poor posture. Take short breaks every hour to stand up, stretch, and move around. Focus on hip flexor stretches, chest openers, and gentle twists. These simple movements can counteract the effects of sitting and keep your body feeling fresh throughout the day. Athletes rely on mobility for peak performance and injury prevention. Sports often demand a wide range of motion, so regular mobility work is essential. Incorporate sport-specific stretches and dynamic movements into your warm-up and cool-down routines. Pay attention to any areas that feel tight after training and address them with targeted exercises. Improved mobility can give you an edge in your sport and help you recover faster. Maintaining mobility becomes even more important as we age. Regular movement helps preserve joint health, balance, and independence. Older adults should focus on gentle, low-impact mobility exercises like seated stretches, ankle circles, and shoulder rolls. These movements can be done daily and adapted to any fitness level. Staying active and mobile supports a higher quality of life and reduces the risk of falls and injuries. Kids are naturally flexible, but encouraging good mobility habits early sets the stage for lifelong health. Make mobility fun with games, animal walks, and playful stretches. Activities like yoga or dance can also help kids develop body awareness and coordination. Keep sessions short and engaging, focusing on movement rather than strict routines. Building these habits now will benefit kids as they grow and stay active. One of the biggest benefits of good mobility is injury prevention. When your joints and muscles move freely, you're less likely to strain or overcompensate during activity. Mobility work strengthens supporting muscles and improves joint stability. This means fewer aches, pains, and setbacks. Make mobility exercises a regular part of your routine to keep your body resilient and ready for anything. Poor posture is often a result of limited mobility, especially in the hips, shoulders, and spine. Regular mobility exercises help correct imbalances and keep your body aligned. Focus on stretches that open the chest, lengthen the spine, and loosen the hips. Improved posture not only looks better, but also reduces discomfort and fatigue. Make mobility work a foundation for standing tall and moving confidently. Balance is closely linked to mobility. When your joints move freely, it's easier to maintain stability during movement. Exercises that challenge your balance, like single-leg stands or dynamic lunges, also improve mobility. Incorporate balance work into your routine to enhance coordination and prevent falls. Better balance means more confidence in your movements, whether you're walking, running, or playing sports. Mobility and strength go hand in hand. Strong muscles support your joints, while good mobility allows you to use your strength through a full range of motion. Include strength exercises that challenge your mobility, like deep squats or overhead presses. This combination helps you move better, lift more, and reduce the risk of injury. Don't neglect either aspect. Balance both for optimal results. Mobility work is a great way to aid recovery after intense exercise. Gentle stretching and movement help flush out waste products, reduce soreness, and restore your range of motion. Use mobility exercises as part of your cool-down routine, focusing on areas that feel tight or fatigued. This helps your body recover faster and prepares you for your next workout. Athletes in every sport benefit from improved mobility. Greater range of motion allows for more powerful, efficient movements and better technique. Whether you're a runner, swimmer, or basketball player, mobility work can help you move faster, jump higher, and perform at your best. Make mobility a regular part of your training to unlock your full athletic potential. Mobility isn't just for athletes, it's for everyone. Good mobility makes daily tasks like bending, reaching, and lifting easier and safer. It also helps you stay active and independent as you age. Incorporate mobility exercises into your routine, no matter your fitness level. The benefits will carry over into every aspect of your life, from playing with your kids to carrying groceries. It's easy to make mistakes when working on mobility. Some people push too hard, stretch too fast, or skip warm-ups. Others focus only on one area and neglect the rest of the body. Avoid bouncing during stretches and never force a joint beyond its comfortable range. Listen to your body and progress gradually. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll make steady, safe improvements. If you experience pain, severe stiffness, or limited movement that doesn't improve with regular mobility work, it's important to seek professional help. Physical therapists and movement specialists can assess your situation and provide personalized guidance. Don't ignore persistent issues. Addressing them early can prevent bigger problems down the road. Your health and safety always come first. Let's walk through a simple hip mobility routine. Start with hip circles for 1 minute, then move into deep lunges, holding each side for 30 seconds. Next, try the world's greatest stretch, alternating sides for 1 minute. Finish with a seated butterfly stretch for 1 minute. Repeat this routine 2-3 times a week to see noticeable improvements in your hip mobility. For your shoulders, begin with arm circles for 1 minute, followed by wall slides for 30 seconds. Add in band pull-aparts for 1 minute, focusing on squeezing your shoulder blades together. Finish with a gentle crossbody stretch, holding each side for 30 seconds. This routine helps keep your shoulders loose and ready for any activity. To improve ankle mobility, start with ankle circles for 1 minute, then do calf stretches for 30 seconds on each side. Try knee-to-wall movements for 1 minute, focusing on keeping your heel down. Finish with a gentle toe stretch for 30 seconds. Repeat this routine regularly to support better movement and balance. For your spine, begin with cat-cow stretches for 1 minute, followed by thoracic rotations for 1 minute. Add gentle back bends, holding for 20 seconds each. Finish with a seated twist on each side for 30 seconds. This routine helps keep your spine flexible and healthy, supporting better posture and movement. There are many tools that can help you improve mobility, including foam rollers, massage balls, resistance bands, and yoga blocks. These tools can make stretches more effective and help you target hard-to-reach areas. Experiment with different equipment to find what works best for you. Using the right tools can enhance your mobility routine and keep things interesting. Staying hydrated is essential for healthy joints and muscles. Water helps lubricate your joints and keeps your tissues flexible. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your mobility sessions. Dehydration can make muscles feel stiff and increase your risk of injury. Make hydration a priority to support your mobility goals. Nutrition plays a role in joint and muscle health. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats supports your body's ability to move and recover. Certain nutrients, like omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, are especially important for joint health. Fuel your body well to get the most out of your mobility work. Quality sleep is vital for recovery and mobility. During sleep, your body repairs tissues and restores energy. Lack of sleep can lead to stiffness and slower progress. Aim for 7-9 hours of restful sleep each night to support your mobility and overall health. Establish a bedtime routine and create a comfortable sleep environment for best results. Stress can cause muscles to tense up and limit your mobility. Incorporate relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or gentle yoga into your routine. These practices help reduce tension and make your mobility work more effective. Managing stress supports both your physical and mental well-being, making it easier to stay consistent with your mobility goals. Being mindful during your mobility exercises helps you tune into your body's needs. Pay attention to how each movement feels and adjust as needed. Mindfulness can prevent overdoing it and help you make steady progress. Try to stay present during your routine, focusing on your breath and sensations. This approach makes mobility work safer and more enjoyable. Yoga is a fantastic way to improve mobility. Many yoga poses focus on stretching and strengthening the body through a full range of motion. Incorporate poses like downward dog, pigeon, and child's pose into your routine. Yoga also emphasizes breath and mindfulness, making it a holistic approach to mobility. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, yoga can benefit everyone. Pilates is another excellent method for improving mobility. It focuses on controlled movements, core strength, and flexibility. Pilates exercises often target the hips, spine, and shoulders, helping you move more freely. Try adding a few Pilates moves to your routine, such as leg circles, spine twists, or the saw. These exercises can complement your mobility work and enhance your overall movement quality. Functional training involves exercises that mimic real-life movements, improving both strength and mobility. Moves like squats, lunges, and rotational exercises train your body to move efficiently in daily life. Incorporate functional exercises into your mobility routine to build a body that's strong, flexible, and ready for anything. Joining a group class can make mobility work more enjoyable and motivating. Classes like yoga, Pilates, or mobility-specific sessions offer guidance and a sense of community. Working out with others can keep you accountable and help you learn new techniques. Look for classes at your local gym or online to add variety to your routine. Take your mobility work outside for a change of scenery and fresh air. Activities like hiking, swimming, or playing sports naturally improve mobility while making exercise fun. Outdoor movement challenges your body in new ways and can boost your mood. Mix up your routine by adding outdoor activities that keep you moving and engaged. Staying motivated is key to making mobility a lasting habit. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and reward yourself for sticking with your routine. Find a workout buddy or join a community for extra support. Remember, every small step counts. Keep your mobility journey enjoyable and celebrate your achievements along the way. Improving mobility is a lifelong journey, not a quick fix. By following these step-by-step strategies, you'll build a body that moves freely, feels better, and stays healthy for years to come. Remember to be patient, stay consistent, and enjoy the process. Your future self will thank you for investing in your mobility today. Keep moving, keep growing, and embrace the benefits of a more mobile life.